Welcome to Vortex Gadgets. Before the new year hits, grab these 30 must-have tactical gear essentials on Amazon and AliExpress. From rugged tactical gear to high-tech gadgets, each item is built for durability, reliability, and practicality. Perfect for outdoor adventures, emergency readiness, or everyday tactical use. All the mentioned products links are in the description. Number 30. PEQ Box IR Laser. The C-Toptic PQ-15 is a versatile airsoft laser and light module built for AEG and GBB rifles. Featuring 270 lumens of bright white light, red laser, and IR laser modes, it delivers reliable target illumination and quick zero adjustments. It includes both button controls and a pressure switch for fast activation. Durable, lightweight, and designed for 20mm Picatinny rails, it's perfect for CQB and tactical gameplay. So make sure to grab this before the new year. Number 29. Critical Gear Case. Therm Dark Vault Comms Case is a rugged, made-in-USA storage solution designed to protect phones, GPS units, and mission-critical tools. Built with battlefield-grade durability and a gasket seal, it shields gear from water, dust, and dirt without blocking signal. Its modular MOLLE/PALS mounting system allows quick attachment or full removal for flexible carry. Perfect for navigation, communication setups, and reliable field-ready protection. Number 28. Tactical Camouflage Clothing. Engineered for tough missions, the G3 combat suit offers comfort, mobility, and tactical performance for airsoft, hunting, and outdoor use. Its quick-dry shirt and durable 50/50 polycotton pants include removable pads, adjustable cuffs, and multiple pockets. With elastic fabric upgrades and splash-proof protection, it supports demanding movement and rugged field activity. Before 2026, secure your essential tactical gear. Number 27. Pistol Mag Pouch. Carry 3 5.56 magazines securely with the One Tigris Tactical Triple Mag Pouch, built from tough 1000D nylon for all-weather reliability. Its open-top, quick-draw design ensures fast reloads, while elastic retention keeps mags locked in place. MOLLE panels add expandable mounting options, making it ideal for vests, belts, and full tactical loadouts. Lock your gear now before year-end. Number 26. Face Mask. This tactical full-face mask offers reliable protection for airsoft, paintball, and CS shooting with its durable steel mesh and breathable design. The lightweight build provides wide visibility, secure head coverage, and comfortable helmet compatibility. Ideal for intense gameplay, it shields your face while ensuring airflow, stability, and dependable performance in any combat scenario. Number 25. Carabiners Small Clips. 5-pack of tactical carabiner clips offers lightweight, durable utility for MOLLE gear, backpacks, and outdoor setups. Made from tough polymer with a strong spring snap, each 3.5-inch D-shaped clip securely holds keys, tools, and accessories. Ideal for hiking, airsoft, camping, and everyday carry, providing quick attachment and reliable performance without adding extra weight. Number 24. SOG Tactical Tomahawk. The SOG Tactical Tomahawk delivers fast, powerful performance with its 15.75-inch build and razor-sharp 420 stainless steel blade. Weighing just 24 ounces, it's ideal for survival, breaching, rescue, and light chopping. A hammer edge, piercing spike, and ballistic nylon sheath add versatility and safety, making it a dependable all-purpose tactical tool. Number 23. Tactical Flashlight. The Olight Warrior X4 delivers 2,600 lumens and an impressive 630+ meter throw, making it a powerful tactical light for patrol, hunting, and outdoor use. With USB-C and magnetic charging, programmable modes, and an upgraded tail switch, it offers fast control and flexibility. Battery indicators and vibration alerts ensure reliable, mission-ready performance. Upgrade your gear for 2026. Number 22. Nylon Strap. This 1-inch nylon webbing kit includes 12 yards of heavy-duty strap, 6 metal quick-release buckles, 12 metal D-rings, and 12 palm tri-glide sliders for easy adjustments. No sewing needed. Perfect for DIY repairs, backpack upgrades, cargo securing, pet gear, camping use, and more. Durable, versatile, and designed for strong everyday performance. Number 21. Tactical Helmet Mount. Wapili Tactical Helmet Mount is a durable, high-quality nylon adapter designed for X300/X400 TLR1 and Surefire series lamps. Featuring 360-degree rotation and adjustable angles, it ensures precise lighting control. With hook-and-loop fast-attached straps, it securely mounts to any helmet, making it ideal for hunting, shooting, hiking, and other outdoor tactical activities. Number 20. Vest Phone Holder. Carry CM Air 4. U-Tactical Vest Phone Holder is a lightweight, foldable navigation board for airsoft, paintball, and outdoor activities. Made from durable nylon and TPE silicone, it securely holds smartphones up to 8.89 by 17.15 centimeters. MOLLE compatible and easy to attach, it keeps your device accessible on the chest, offering convenience and quick access during gameplay. Number 19. Double Handcuff Pouch. The Livens. Double Handcuff Pouch securely holds 2 handcuffs in a compact, stacked design for quick access. MOLLE/PALS compatible and belt ready, it saves space on vests or belts while providing adjustable bungee retention for secure fit. Ideal for police, security, and law enforcement, it ensures fast, efficient, and organized handcuff deployment in the field. Last chance, buy it this new year. Number 18. Earmor M32X Tactical Headset. The Earmor M32X Tactical Headset offers crystal clear communication and hearing protection for helmet users. Designed for ARC rail systems, it mounts securely and integrates easily with tactical gear. Noise-canceling ear muffs, multiple speakers, and dynamic voice tracking ensure clarity in noisy environments. Durable and versatile, it's perfect for military, hunting, and shooting activities. Final call, grab it today. https://utu.be jetxicjxwky. Number 17. Hydration Backpack. Built for rugged outdoor and tactical missions, the excellent Elite Spanker Tactical Hydration Backpack combines durability and convenience. Made from 500D Cordura nylon, it fits tactical vests, backpacks, and plate carriers. MOLLE webbing allows extra pouches, while the 2-liter water bladder with dual top outlets ensures quick hydration. Water repellent and quick dry for all conditions. Number 16. Red Dot Holographic Sight. The 2024 EOTech 558 DCR Red Dot Holographic Sight delivers fast target acquisition with bright, clear optics for airsoft and hunting setups. Paired with a G33/G43/G45 style 3x to 5x magnifier, it provides enhanced range and precision. Featuring a QD lever and 20mm rail compatibility, it mounts securely and switches quickly during dynamic field use. Snag it now while supplies last. Number 15. Tactical Knife. Carry Artisan Cutlery. Tactical Knife Proponent, ATZ1820P, features a 3.85-inch D2 steel black PVD Wharncliffe blade for precision and durability. Its ergonomic G10 handle offers a secure grip, while the full liner construction and liner lock ensure strength and reliability. Ideal for camping, hunting, fishing, and tactical everyday carry, it comes with a protective nylon bag and cloth. Number 14. Tactical Vest. This G-Fire. Tactical Vest is a lightweight, modular training vest made from durable 1000D fabric with breathable 3D mesh for comfort and ventilation. Featuring adjustable padded straps, rapid open connectors, and MOLLE webbing with modular mag panels and map pouch, it's ideal for airsoft, combat training, hiking, and outdoor tactical challenges. Number 13. MOLLE Water Bottle. Engineered for durability and convenience, The SOG Tactical MOLLE water bottle pouch securely holds bottles up to 8.5 inches tall. Made from rugged 500D Cordura nylon with waterproof coating, it attaches easily to MOLLE webbing on backpacks, vests, or belts. Lightweight, breathable, and reinforced, it keeps hydration stable and accessible during hiking, camping, or tactical missions. Number 12. Work gloves, mechanics wear. Original Coyote. Tactical work gloves provide durable, versatile hand protection for men. Designed with a secure fit and flexible grip, they excel in tactical, industrial, and outdoor tasks. Touchscreen compatible and crafted for comfort, these gloves combine rugged durability with precision control, making them ideal for work, airsoft, hiking, and other demanding activities. Be prepared for the new year. Number 11. Combat knee pads, the Emerson gear. G3 Combat knee pads provide lightweight anti-impact protection for tactical and outdoor activities. Weighing just 150 grams each, they feature a durable TPE rubber shell over high-density foam and cotton padding to prevent knee injuries. Available in black, tan, and Ranger green, they're designed to complement G3 combat pants and camouflage gear. Number 10. Tactical Hard Rifle Case. GRITR 39-inch Tactical Hard Rifle Case offers durable, IP67 compliant protection for rifles with its high-impact polypropylene construction. Featuring scratch-resistant surfaces, TSA-approved locking points, and a pressure release valve, it ensures safe travel by air or land. Foam padding provides secure storage, making it ideal for shooting ranges, hunting trips, and firearm transport. Number 9. GCI Outdoor. Built for tactical camping setups and organized field operations, the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station delivers a sturdy portable kitchen platform. Its heat-resistant tabletop, 4 side shelves, and lower storage rack keep gear, tools, and meals neatly arranged. Fast-folding, lightweight, and rugged, it's ideal for mission camps, training environments, and outdoor survival use. Snag it now while supplies last. Number 8. Trip Alarm, the Perimeter. Trip Alarm Security Siren provides reliable outdoor protection with a 120 decibel alert for night defense, camping, and wilderness use. Waterproof and rugged, it detects intrusions along perimeters in forests, mountains, or remote areas. Easy to deploy, it ensures early warning and added safety during outdoor adventures, tactical camping, or survival situations. Number 7. First Aid Kit. Essential for tactical and survival scenarios, the Advanced Trauma. First Aid Kit provides life-saving tools in a compact, portable package. Equipped with a tourniquet, compression bandage, and 36-inch splint, it's ideal for outdoor, home, or camping emergencies. Rugged and ready, this kit ensures preparedness for injuries and makes a practical gift for loved ones. Number 6. NexTool Mini Sailor. Designed for tactical readiness and everyday carry, the NexTool Mini Sailor S11 Pro is a compact 12-in-1 multi-tool built for durability and versatility. Crafted from premium 5CR15 MOV and 8CR14 MOV steel with a lightweight hollow design, it features pliers, knife, scissors, screwdrivers, and more, perfect for camping, hiking, survival, and on-the-go EDC tasks. Don't delay. Grab it quickly before New Year gone. Number 5. Compound Mini Crossbow. When you need silent power in the field, the Ballista Bat Mini Compound Crossbow delivers. Firing up to 300 FPS with a 130-pound draw, it's compact, lightweight, and built for stealth. At just 16 inches by 5 inches and 2.46 pounds, it slips into any pack while offering fast, quiet 3-second loading for tactical readiness. Last chance. Buy it this new year. Number 4. Retevis B63S. Engineered for tactical communication, the Retevis B63S, 3rd Gen RT22, mini walkie-talkies deliver reliable hands-free operation in compact form. Featuring a slim LCD screen, Vox functionality, and long-lasting 1,620 mAh batteries, they ensure up to 24 hours of field-ready performance. Type-C charging and multi-layer safety make them ideal for tactical, outdoor, or team operations. Stay ahead. Grab it now. Number 3. Smartwatch. Built for tactical readiness and rugged outdoor use, this military smartwatch combines durability with advanced functionality. Featuring a 1.43-inch always-on AMOLED display, IP68 waterproof rating, and stainless steel band with magnetic charging, it tracks health metrics, fitness activity, and connects via Bluetooth 5.2, making it ideal for military, adventure, and tactical operations. Number 2. Goggles Anti-Fog. Engineered for tactical operations and outdoor action, the ZagasTac Tactical Airsoft Goggles provide military-grade eye protection with ANSI ZEED 87.1 certified polycarbonate lenses. Featuring anti-fog coating, full perimeter ventilation, and interchangeable lenses, they ensure clear vision, comfort, and durability. Adjustable straps and EVA foam offer a secure fit, making them ideal for airsoft, shooting, and extreme activities. Number 1. Vortex Optics. Designed for tactical reconnaissance, the Vortex Optics Recce Pro HD 8x32 monocular delivers sharp, high-definition imaging with extra-low dispersion glass and XR anti-reflective coatings. Featuring an MRAD reticle, adjustable eye cup, and large focus wheel, it ensures precision targeting. Rugged, fog-proof, waterproof, and equipped with a utility clip and MOLLE pouch, it's built for field-ready durability. Last chance, buy it this for New Year. That's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed exploring these 30 must-have tactical gear items to grab before 2025. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more top-tier gear content.